like a great and wise tree, just drawing some of that strength from the earth up into the body and taking a nice deep breath all the way in and just sighing your voice out. Take another deep breath, feeling that grounded sense of your roots. Let your voice come out. Maybe putting a hand on your chest. This sound that you're making is just saying hello to your body, hello to your instrument. So continuing to breathe and sigh and just listening, letting the mind relax. Just feeling the power of breath and the power of vibration in your body. So we're going to continue just making some very simple sounds. This should feel effortless. Tune into your instrument and just let it express this gentle sound. Stay with the breath. The sound and the breath are one. Bringing a little bit more in. Just tuning into the natural beauty and authenticity of your instrument. Nothing you need to do, nothing you need to be. You're good just the way you are. And let yourself really feel that as you breathe and just say the hello to yourself. Hey. Continue to soften the eyes, soften the cheeks. Hey. 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 Now take a nice deep breath all the way in and really let your voice come out in this sigh. There's no right way to sigh. There's no wrong way to sigh. There's just the way that allows you to feel free. Listening to your voice with a deep sense of compassion. Voices come out a little bit. We're going to sigh, and we're just going to land on a note, any note that feels comfortable in your body. And support that sound from your belly, from your hips. Feel the earth holding you. Relax the jaw, relax the cheeks. Feel the totality of your instrument from the crown of your head down through the mind, through the mouth, through the jaw, through the vocal cords, through the chest, through the belly, into the hips. Just gonna sing a little bit and just let the melody come out. No right way to sing, no wrong way to sing. Just sing in a way that feels like you're home inside of yourself. Register in my voice, but just sing wherever feels the most comfortable for you in your body, the most relaxed. Deep breaths, deep with the belly, deep with the chest. Just notice if there's any places of tension in your instrument, in this beautiful gift from life, this body. Notice if your throat feels constricted, your upper chest, muscles in your face, your ears, anywhere in the body. Just inhale and let it go. And we'll do a final couple of sounds to anywhere in the body that feels like it needs some care and attention. We're just going to focus our breath and our sound there. Just imagine singing to that part of your body. But if you want to put a hand there, wherever it is, just take some deep inhales. feeling a sense of fluidity and spaciousness, remembering that we're mostly made up of space and water. So just feeling the presence of that spacious fluidness of our being. And then beneath that is just stillness. Deep and unabiding stillness. An emptiness that connects us to everything. And in this place there is no fear. We are only love, only light, only awareness. Remembering that you can go there anytime you need. This place of deep stillness is always there waiting for us to return, and it's our life's purpose to find out how we come home. What's our way back to the infinite stillness that is the source of all things. And then when you're ready, you can just open up your eyes and come back into your space.